Menteri Dang Ba ke Jylla Konrad Sangma hanya kesengi ulah IT palat lai pukandai poin katnyo Klur Tyngka syaki apun riu tuli ki Kynhun Ïalehkai ha Meghalaya kum shi Bynta ban Pynkhreh ke National Games ahajar apunyo. Kini ke jingbei Tyngka ke long ban ai jing kershan ki Kynhun kenang bakin yo ki tiar badon kam ban penbahai ki jaka ai jing hikai ban penbahai ya ke jinglong balakhreh ha kini ke lumpung Ïalehkai. Menteri Dang Ba ke Jylla ulah penpau ia ke jing kela ha ki buit trekam daga bapensyai ya ke jing donkam bantai ya ke jing shania ringkat bagi senjuk Ïalehkai ha katan. Kini ke rukom bay pisa lakmi lenti bahkan ai yang man ke wei pekawai ke senjuk ya ke jingla ban penbiang ya ke jing donkam jongka bahkan yarap ya ke nong Ïalehkai ban Pynkhreh bah.
That close to about 1,900 crores of projects today are being implemented in sports infrastructure as we speak. And that's something that has never, ever happened in the history of our state. In fact, if you look at the artificial turfs for football that are coming up, we'll be having close to 50 artificial turfs throughout the state. That is the largest number any state has in the country. Even in terms of track and field, stadiums that are going to come up. We should be one of the highest, if not in the country, at least in the eastern region. Meghalaya will have one of the largest number of track and field synthetic tracks and the facilities in the entire eastern region. So a lot is happening today when it comes to infrastructure. And we do expect that much more will happen. And as Minister always keeps mentioning, that these are real investments that we are making in the future of our youth.
Ki pulit ke Meghalaya ki lapa ya barok ki sabut balatang